Hey guys, it is Kristin Shelby of Indy Chic and we are back with another video. So today I'm going to be starting a bit of a series. So I decided to go through and use all of the eyeshadow palettes, all million of them that I already have, and kind of do a little series with each one and show you a few different looks for each one. So I am going to be starting today with the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, and I'm just gonna go through, do a look, and get all beautiful and walk you through it, and yeah, that'll be it. So if you wanna see what I come up with, keep watching. Okay, so I am gonna start with my brows, and today I'm gonna be using the Tonya Crooks, the Brow powder, I guess. Yeah, it's like a powder pomade thing. You can use it dry or wet. And then the brush that comes with it. So I'm just gonna do those really quick. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the fun part and start off with the eyeshadow. So first I'm gonna prime my lids with the Fenty Beauty eyelid primer. And this has become one of my go-to primers. You know, I usually use the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later, which is cool and I still love it, but Fenty, girl, you on to something. So for this look, I'm gonna keep it kind of simple. It's just gonna be like a blown out red smoky eye kind of look. I was gonna do a halo eye, but then I changed my mind. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen this look because I did it for Christmas and I really liked it. So I figured I'd go ahead and film it and show you guys too. So to start off, I am going to take my Juvia's Place Small Definer brush in the color Ambitious. Next, I am going to go in with the color Young Love. And next I'm going to take the shade Drunk Dial and put that on the outer corner. And Drunk Dial has like a little bit of shimmer to it. And I really feel like this would be a bomb color, like a lid color for a good, deep, dark, smoky eye. Maybe we'll see that in one of the videos in this series. I don't know yet, but I really like this color. Okay, next I am going to take my Fenty Beauty blending brush and the color Feels, which is this like dusty rose kind of color. And I'm basically just gonna blend that right along the outer edge of all the shades I just put on to kind of blend it out and soften up that line. And this will essentially be my transition shade. Now I'm gonna use that same brush and take the color Bing and just kind of darken up that crease a little bit. Just add a little more of that nice red color we're going for here. Then next I'm gonna take Devilish matte red shade and I'm gonna put that kind of in the outer corner a little bit and then blend it somewhat into the crease. And I'm just gonna use the brush that came with the palette for that. And I'm using this one instead because it's still a fluffy brush, but it's a little bit more pointed than the Fenty brush, so I feel like it'll get into the crease a little bit better. And last, I'm gonna take this dark brown Privacy and put that in the outer corner just to darken us up a little bit more. And first I'm just gonna pack it on and then I'll go back in with the brush that came with the palette and blend it out. And now I'm not gonna add any more product to the Fenty brush, but I'm just gonna go in and blend a little bit more. And now I'm going to go back in with that small definer brush and wet it a little bit with some setting spray. And go back in with Ambitious just because I feel like I want it to be a little bit brighter. And for liner today, I am going to use the Stila Stay All Day liquid liner and just make a nice quick little line. For mascara today, I am going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then I'm also gonna apply some falsies. Okay, so that is it for the eyes for now. I'm gonna do like all of my like complexion work, foundation, all that jazz, and then I will come back and do the lower lash line and show you my finished look, and yeah, be back in a sec. Okay, so now we are going to do the lower lash line and wrap this thing up, shall we? I'm just gonna use the other side of the brush that came with it, the little small side here, and I'm gonna start off with Privacy, which is that dark brown, and I'm just gonna smoke that along the lower lash line, maybe like a third of the way or so. This is low-key a good brush for this. I like it. I feel like there's a delicate balance between small enough to not be too crazy or too big to be a mess, and I feel like this is a good size for that. Anyway, okay, next I'm going to use Devilish, that matte red, and kind of blend those two together and bring it in a little bit further. And next I'm going to use Ambitious, which was that first shade we used on the lid. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a wet pencil brush and the shade Turn On, which is this like champagne-y, goldy, whatever shade. And I'm gonna pop that in my innermost corner just for a little bit of a highlight. Okay. Now I'm gonna finish off with mascara. Then I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. If you're one of those people that like freaks out over a little bit of mist, like half of the people whose makeup I do, then do that before you do your bottom mascara, because if you're gonna blink all hard and crazy, you're just gonna ruin all your hard work. So, yeah. Okay, so now for lipstick, I'm gonna use the NYX Liquid Suede in the color Cherry Skies, which is like a nice dark red. Okay, so that is it for the makeup, and I'm gonna go like put on some clothes and finish off the look, and then I'll be back for some slow-mos and all that jazz. Okay guys, so that is it for this look today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are not already a part of the Indie Hip Chick family, and hit the bell, because you are gonna want to get all the notifications on all the new videos and stuff we have coming up. So, other than that, I mean, click through, watch our other videos, but we will see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye. Let's hope they go on first try. I'll be struggling. Although, I feel like 12 Days of Christmas, I was doing pretty good. Some days were easier than others. I know. As long as you gotta do it the first one. Oh, God, help. Damn it. That's not what I wanted. That's why I can't have no damn kids. It's not rude. Mom was like, the baby's coming back today. I said, at what time? I don't have time for no babies. I'm trying to record. Oh, children. Hi guys, we're back. So now I put him down and he woke up and he was like, I said, not today, little baby. Started crying immediately. I said, come on now. And I came back and they were up here, so I was up here with him for a little bit. And she wanted to give him a bath, so she was like, okay, go get his stuff from downstairs. So I was like, cool. As soon as I walk away, he started crying. And she was like, what? Why are you crying for her? She don't even like babies. It's like, you're not crying for the right person. You're not. She's right. Why do you have $100 worth? I just crochet a lot. I like it like that. That's all. Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Of course you are.